Small Component Assembly Machine. It uses a module to pick up and bond small components. Automated equipment for assembly. Widely used in 3C industry for various small parts assembly. For small parts assembly machine production process varies widely. Incomplete data traceability issues, as well as the requirements for high speed and high precision. Flexem has launched an efficient small component assembly machine solution. This solution utilizes the Flexem FE6300 series HMI, FL8 series PLC and FV5 series servo drives. Intelligent material feeding, combined with CCD recognition and robotic arm gripping, ensures accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 millimeters. Data is automatically recorded and processed through the MES system. Achieve binding and transfer of products and components. Flexem's Universal Motion Library supports rapid tool changeover. SDO axis control function does not need to take up bus resources. Ability to add a servo when the PLC does not have enough axle capacity. Reduces costs and enhances operational efficiency. Record production data. Use the Flexem algorithm to calculate CPK values. Evaluate equipment stability. Analyze the gap between precision and standards. Generate historical curves through the Flexem IoT HMI. Help customers save money and determine equipment maintenance needs. Flexem's small component assembly machine solution. Significantly improved equipment accuracy and production efficiency. Integrated with a wide range of automation features. Enables the 3C industry to achieve high efficiency and stable production. Flexem is committed to promoting equipment intelligence.